I'll bring Harley in here. Stop it. What's the obsession with my mouth? Huh? Cricking your beak against my teeth, it feels weird. You strange bird. Oh, Charlie. Ah! Is Charlie the chicken? Here's Charlie. What are you doing, you strange bird? No, get up. I haven't got anything. Get out. The only thing that's in there is my tongue and my teeth, and you're not having it either. Stop pulling my lip, man. Oh, man, bird. Get off me eye. Get off my face. Stop it. You annoying cockatoo. No, Charlie. Yeah, play with that. Here. Sorted. Hey, no biting. Here. God, where's the kid? Well, you're not pulling it very far, are you?